Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, pause this video if you need to and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is vodka and cranberry juice. That's it. So yeah, like I said, pause this video if you need to, grab your drink, come back, and let's talk. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can hear, but right now it is pouring rain outside of my house, and I'm thinking this is the perfect weather to have sex, which also had me thinking, why is it the perfect weather to have sex? So we're going to talk about the why and the why. So first of all, the rainy season, whenever it rains, for how long it rains, if it ever rains, or if it hardly ever rains, and it does happen to rain, sex during the rainy times is very, very, very much one of the more top tier experiences. When it's raining, it's more calming, the temperature is cooler, so it's making you want to climb into bed, climb on top of your partner, and get that nice skin to skin bodily contact in. When it's raining, it also creates an atmosphere of just romance and wanting to wind down and relax. The sound the rain makes on the roof or on the grass or on the ground or whatever it's hitting, it's so soothing and relaxing. This is also the perfect time to tap into things that you probably wouldn't have tried before or you have been talking about trying with your partner. Why is that? Because when it's raining, it's so relaxing, you're so at ease, your mind is just free from all the thoughts of the world. Okay, so if you're with your partner right now and it's raining right now and there's things that you've talked about, now is probably the time to have a conversation that could lead to bedroom activities. Another one is if you're in a car, you're on a car ride and it starts to rain, you can always pull over to the side of the road into one of those, what's the thing called if you're like on a road trip, those truck stop things. You can stop at a truck stop, a rest area, that's what it's called, a rest area. Pull your car over and steam up the windows. It's also a great time to incorporate food into your lovemaking. I find that it's a more sensual, you know, like I said, with the sound of the raindrops. It's more sensual, it's more relaxing, it's more freeing. Now picture it, it's raining, you make a couple cocktails to warm up yourselves. Not only is your mind relaxed from the rain, but then your body is now more relaxed from the alcohol. Your inhibitions are going out the window and you decide to make a home movie. Another one that's hot and steamy that I love is, again, maybe you're driving around, it starts to rain, you just got home and you get wet in the rain, and then you come inside and you see your partner just dripping. I don't know what it is about seeing the person dripping wet that is just so arousing. Now picture you come home, you take off your wet clothes, and you just start doing it. That is nice. This is also a great time to incorporate your toys. Whatever toys that you've had or been wanting to try with your person, when it's raining, now is the perfect time to grab your toys and do what it does. If you're a couple with a child or with children and you want to get some adult activities in while it's raining, it's the perfect time for a quick nap. You put little Johnny down, you send him to sleep, you put him to sleep, and then you and your beau can go and have a marvelous time elsewhere in the house. Okay, so there you go. If you've been in some kind of plateau or lull in the sex department of your relationship, now is the perfect time to get some action while it's raining. And then at the end of the day, if something goes wrong, blame it on the weather. If something goes extremely right, blame it on the weather. It's not your fault. You were an animal to the surroundings, to the elements. The elements created this, okay? Okay. If you have any questions for me, if I said something you didn't understand, if I was a little bit rambly, if I was a little bit short with this video, leave it in the comment section below. Let's have a discussion. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace on and kissy face. Bye.